Hello, space enthusiasts and curious minds alike. Welcome back to our channel, where today we're diving deep into a groundbreaking discovery that's capturing headlines worldwide. China's latest lunar mission has unearthed something truly astonishing on the moon that has both scientists and the public buzzing with excitement. What could this mysterious finding be? Stay tuned as we unravel the details in today's special episode. China's ambitious lunar mission is set to redefine space exploration. With a bold declaration to reach the moon, China is on track to surpass the United States in the race to lunar exploration. Last year, NASA conceded that its timeline lags behind China's, hinting at a new leader in the space race. As we venture closer to our magnificent celestial neighbor, an astonishing discovery has captivated the global scientific community and space enthusiasts alike. On the moon's surface lies an enigmatic structure, shaped by the ancient forces of lunar phenomena. This revelation challenges our fundamental understanding of the Earth-Moon relationship, unveiling secrets that have been concealed for centuries. What mysteries does the moon harbor? What ancient lunar secrets are waiting to be uncovered, and how might these revelations redefine humanity's role in the cosmic schema? Embark on this thrilling exploration with us as we delve into a finding that has stunned the world. China's breakthrough not only shifts our perception of the moon's landscape, but also echoes the pioneering spirit of the 9th century Chinese inventors who initiated the era of rocketry. These innovators laid the groundwork for the spectacular fireworks and advanced rocket technology we celebrate today. As China leads today's space exploration, they reignite a centuries-old legacy of innovation and discovery. In the mid-20th century, inspired by the Soviet Union's space achievements during the 1950s, China embarked on its own cosmic journey. After the Soviet Union's dissolution, China made a pivotal shift. On April 24, 1970, China marked a historic milestone by launching its first satellite into orbit. This achievement kick-started a slow yet steadfast progression in space technology. China's lunar orbiter, Chang'e, made headlines when it reached the moon just 10 days after its launch in 2007. Initially, it didn't garner much attention, but it was Chang'e's subsequent missions that truly captivated the global audience. With each new revelation, including the discovery of a new solar phenomenon, the world paused to admire China's escalating space endeavors. But China's ambitions didn't stop at the moon. They constructed their own space station, a counterpart to the International Space Station, signifying a bold step into the cosmic arena. This led to the creation of China's new modular playground in space as the nation gears up for more celestial conquests. The narrative took an even more thrilling turn with Chang'e's exploration of the moon's mysterious dark side. Images sent back by the orbiter unveiled an orange-yellow substance that sparked widespread excitement and speculation among the scientific community. This discovery prompted questions about the possibility of life beyond Earth, stirring the imagination of millions worldwide. This mission not only demonstrated exceptional control over celestial challenges, but also showcased how space exploration can overcome significant terrestrial issues, like communication barriers. In 2018, China led the world in space launches, achieving a record 39 missions, surpassing both the US with 31 launches and Russia with 20. The momentum continued into 2019 with a groundbreaking achievement. On January 3rd, China's rover touched down on the dark side of the moon, sending back captivating images that further intrigued the global audience. These photos, expertly transformed into stunning panoramas by Doug Ellison, an engineer at NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory, offer a unique view not just of the moon's dark side, but also of the lander that facilitated this historic journey. Through these visuals, we glimpse the ambitious scope of China's lunar aspirations. China's lunar endeavors are not just about exploration, they symbolize a quest for cosmic mastery, akin to clinching a world championship in space. With grand plans for the moon, China is paving the way for a new era of space exploration, redefining our relationship with our closest celestial neighbor. The moon's 4,444-year orbit reveals a stark contrast between its two hemispheres. While one side presents a relatively flat, basaltic plain known as the mare, the other side is a crater-filled wonderland. Scientists now speculate that the far side of the moon, which is thicker than the near side, might harbor untold secrets, but only a manned mission can confirm these theories. The moon's unique position offers a serene environment, untouched by Earth's radio waves, making it an ideal location for astronomers to study the genesis and evolution of stars and galaxies. Equipped with cutting-edge tools, the rover carries a high-resolution camera for lunar photography, advanced radiation measurement devices, and a spectrometer for capturing cold radio waves. This mission is not just a scientific endeavor, it's a cosmic treasure hunt. The rover's tasks include investigating the moon's surface, examining how the sun's atmosphere interacts with the lunar environment, and potentially uncovering clues about the moon's past. Named after the Chinese moon goddess, the Chang'e 4 mission is a pivotal part of China's lunar exploration program. This initiative took a significant step forward on December 7th, when the Long March 3B rocket launched from the Xichang Satellite Launch Center in western China. Since its departure, the mission has been diligently ensuring that its communication and data systems are fully operational, paving the way for new discoveries and expanding our understanding of our closest celestial neighbor. Since its landing, the Yutu-2 lunar rover has ventured into uncharted territories of the moon, conducting groundbreaking scientific experiments that have captivated the global scientific community. Chinese scientists recently made headlines with their discovery of an unusual sticky material in lunar craters, which they studied intensively, comparing it with data from the Apollo missions. Dubbed Rock Month with a twist, this intriguing substance likely became tacky from a meteorite's impact. It boasts a shiny, dark green hue, more vibrant than the finest vintage dresses, catching the eye with its unique allure. Discovered in July 2019, this gel-like material was labeled gelatinous due to its distinctive consistency differing markedly from the typical lunar soil. This discovery was particularly challenging due to the perpetual shadows cast by the moon's dark side, allowing only 38% of the material's properties to be analyzed. Despite its mysterious appearance, this glassy substance closely resembles the surrounding lunar soil in composition, suggesting it may blend in with the lunar landscape under different conditions. Adding to the intrigue, this find measures approximately 52 by 60 centimeters, a significant size that sparked further curiosity. Detailed in the Earth and Planetary Science Letters Journal, experts from the Chinese Academy of Sciences shared these findings, offering a new layer of mystery to our understanding of the moon's surface. This revelation not only piques scientific curiosity, but also deepens our appreciation for the moon's complex and enigmatic nature. Dubbed Brea, this lunar mystery emerges as a dark green, glass-like substance, believed to have formed from the intense heat and pressure of a meteorite impact. It was discovered in the Von Karman crater, a remote area shielded from the moon's noise, making it a pristine site for such a find. Scientists meticulously analyzed snapshots from the lunar rover alongside samples from the historic U.S. Apollo missions, revealing that Brea's characteristics faintly echoed those of Apollo samples, suggesting a similar origin. On December 1st, 2020, the Chang'e 5 mission marked a significant milestone, landing on an asteroid to conclude its 23-day odyssey through space. Launched from the Wenchang spacecraft launch site in Hainan Province, this site has been the starting point for numerous significant missions, including Chang'e 3, several satellites and components of the Chinese space station. After detaching from its orbiter, the Chang'e 5 lander made a precision touchdown on a strategically important site on the Moon, known as the Oceanus Procellarum, or the Ocean of Storms, a vast, flat region near the lunar equator. This area is also linked to the Mons Riemke, an elevated geological formation. The Chang'e 5 mission was more than just a triumphant chapter in space exploration. It had a critical goal. Armed with a laser target and acting as an 8-ton interstellar explorer, this mission focused on collecting vital lunar samples to bring back to Earth, enriching our understanding of the Moon's composition and history. After 4 decades, moon rocks have once again journeyed to Earth, these enigmatic specimens making their way back to our planet. Recent explorations have hinted that the Moon may hold surprises far beyond our previous understanding, with some even speculating about a hidden bounty, a treasure trove of resources on the Moon that could unlock new potential for human advancement. The mission unfolded with precision. A spacecraft orbiting the Moon meticulously gathered samples from its enigmatic depths. Just 14 days later, the world watched in anticipation as the spacecraft began its journey back to Earth. With this triumphant return, China ascended into the ranks of elite spacefaring nations, igniting global celebrations. As the excitement reverberated around the world, scientists eagerly awaited the analysis of these lunar samples, hoping they might reveal the Moon's secrets and offer fresh perspectives and insights that could surpass all expectations. On December 17th, 2020, the capsule re-entered Earth's atmosphere and made a flawless landing in the vast remote expanses of Mongolia. With the samples now secure, specialists wasted no time diving into their analysis, their enthusiasm palpable. A pressing question loomed large. Would this analysis reaffirm existing theories about the Moon's formation or unveil a narrative entirely unforeseen? The anticipation was electric, as each finding promised to reshape our understanding of our celestial neighbor. Before the lunar capsule even touched down on Earth, astronomers were piecing together clues about what its structure might reveal. According to some experts, a cataclysmic event more than 4 billion years ago, when a Mars-sized planet collided with Earth, set the stage for the Moon's creation. This celestial collision violently dislodged part of our planet, transforming it into a swirling mass of rocks and molten lava. Until recently, it was widely believed that the intense heat from this event had eradicated all traces of water. For years, the Moon has been envisioned as a barren, slowly fading celestial body, akin to a cosmic ember. However, recent discoveries have injected a new layer of mystery into this lunar narrative. Using telescopes and detectors, scientists have worked tirelessly, uncovering a startling fact: vast sheets of ice hidden within the craters near the Moon's poles. This discovery has begun to challenge the Moon's long-held image as a perpetually dry world, revealing hidden ice reserves that defy past assumptions. The Moon, long thought to be in a perpetual state of drought, appears to harbor secret reservoirs of ice, prompting a reevaluation of its history and potential. As this story unfolds, the notion of a frozen moon has captured the imagination of the public and scientists alike, prompting discussions and sparking excitement about the possibilities. NASA is now gearing up for the next phase of lunar exploration, driven by these intriguing new findings. The narrative of the Moon is being rewritten, turning what was once thought to be a desolate rock into a world of hidden depths and secrets. Imagine uncovering a hidden water party on the Moon, where every rock is a bead brimming with potential. Recent calculations reveal an astonishing fact: each ton of lunar soil could contain up to 2,000 kilograms of water. This means that, scaled to Earth's measurements, we're talking about 2,000 liters of water in every ton of moon dirt, transforming our perception of the lunar landscape. For millennia, the moon has been bombarded by comets, asteroids, and meteors, each impact possibly contributing to hidden water reserves scattered from the equator to the poles. This revelation suggests that future lunar explorers might not be restricted to mining ice at the poles. Water could be accessible across the entire moon. Prospecting for water would be less about traditional digging and more about a scientific treasure hunt, heating these beads to release the water within. This newfound abundance means that future moon residents could have easy access to fresh water nearly anywhere they choose to establish bases. Meanwhile, Chinese scientists are fervently studying these water-filled beads, intrigued by their origins. It appears these beads might have been crafted by the sun itself. Charged hydrogen atoms from the sun could have penetrated these glassy beads, mingling with lunar elements to leave behind a watery gift. This discovery not only revolutionizes our understanding of the moon, but also enhances the viability of sustained human presence on our celestial neighbor, making the moon a more welcoming place for future generations. The moon isn't just about stark landscapes and silent craters anymore. It's sitting atop a potential water bonanza. When sunlight heats certain lunar glass beads, they release hydrogen, hinting at a hidden hydration resource. Experts estimate these beads collectively contain about 298 million short tons of water, akin to all the water on the moon. It's a game-changer for lunar prospects, turning the once-perceived bone-dry moon into a veritable water mine. In 2010, NASA uncovered that the North Pole of the moon alone holds about 661 million short tons of water. This revelation shattered the long-standing belief that the moon was as dry as dust. Indeed, it seems the moon has been hosting its own little hydro party. Comparatively, Earth, our blue home, contains about 1.47 megatons of water, a staggering amount that underscores just how precious the moon's newfound resources could be. While we can imagine chemical processes that might one day convert these glassy lunar waters into flowing streams, the moon's harsh environment, lacking in atmosphere, wind, heat, and almost any pressure, means such transformations aren't likely on the lunar surface itself. However, this story takes a different twist on Mars. There, evidence of erosion and other geological features strongly suggest that liquid water once flowed freely, painting a picture of a planet that underwent significant water-driven changes in its past. The contrast between the moon's and Mars' water stories only deepens the intrigue of our celestial neighbors. Projects are currently in motion to transform Martian ice into liquid water, potentially creating vast oceans and lakes that could support an atmosphere rich in greenhouse gases. Yet this ambitious vision is met with skepticism by some experts who find the concept less convincing. Meanwhile, the moon's mysteries continue to unfold through the tiny, silently glowing glass beads found scattered across its surface. These beads are not just remnants of water. They hold secrets spanning billions of years. Recently, samples collected by a Chinese space probe from the moon's deeper layers have proven to be 1,000 years older than those retrieved during the U.S. Apollo missions. Formed over a staggering 2 billion years, these beads tell tales of massive celestial impacts, comparable to the asteroid collision that extinguished the dinosaurs 68 million years ago. Despite its modest size, the moon has remarkably withstood these cosmic events. Scientists believe its survival can be attributed to several factors, including its dust-resistant and dense structure. In the face of existential threats from space, the moon has not only endured but also harbored resources that may yield immense future benefits. Welcome to Blasovia Science TV, where we take you on an exhilarating journey through the cosmos and unravel the mysteries of science. We are excited to offer you the opportunity to become a valued member of our ever-growing community of cosmic enthusiasts and knowledge seekers. Exclusive access to cosmic content. As a member of Blasovia Science TV, you will gain exclusive access to a treasure trove of cosmic content, including documentaries, interviews with leading scientists, space missions updates, and awe-inspiring visualizations of the universe. Live Q&A sessions with experts. Your membership will grant you the chance to participate in live Q&A sessions with renowned scientists, astronomers, and space explorers. Get your burning questions answered by those who push the boundaries of human knowledge. Embark on a journey that spans the cosmos and join us in unraveling the secrets of the universe. Become a Blisovia Science TV member today, and together we will reach for the stars. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and share. Don't forget to leave your comments.